Little update on what's going on this afternoon with the Javron build here at AirTech. Got the rear seat started in. I'd already fabricated this some time back. I used the regular floorboard type material, cut the lightning hose. It's still plenty stout. Got two pins in the back with little snap pins like a normal Super Cub would attach at that point. Got a hinge at the bottom. I've got the carbon concepts under seat storage. I think this part and this part with the metal hardware come out at about 3.15 pounds. I have wrote down somewhere what a standard old Super Cub back is, the big square tube in the bottom with all the coil springs, but you know, most people don't put the lower end. They put some type of system like this. So don't know exactly what I saved. I do know I saved quite a bit. I've got a lot of little trim work to do on it. And what I'm going to do is have my poster guy make a contoured seat with a thin back, or it may not have no back at all, and I will just glue on Velcro strips and the seat cushion will go right there, so the seat cushion doesn't have to have a hard back sewed in it. This will provide the back. Same with the bottom. He can build me a nice with a contoured sides and everything, and I'll just put the one half of the Velcro to here and one half on it, and it doesn't need a bottom in the cushion like you would with an open area bottom or with springs. So should save quite a bit on my cushions back there too.